Our company is focusing on Ilocano right now. We're singing Ilocano song for us.
Okay.
With the actual. I want Matuta Ilama.
What?
I want Matuta Ilama.
Because I'm a Messiah. Yes, I'm from Davao.
What are you?
A little bit talk Ilocano.
Sa companies mo kasi Ilocano. Okay, stop. Excuse me, Mr. Ismaya. Yes, please. There's only 1 minute. Yes. Just dance. We really needed a dancer.